Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Teejay and Bryan Messia, two separate topics for touch upon. So watch man, if you're new to over here, leave a subscribe. Yeah man, feel free to leave a subscribe and leave a like. Big up on yourself, viewers and subs, make we jump right into it. So as you can see, we're going to kick the review off with Bryan Messia. So the entertainer made a post to his IG and it's a video with Squash man. Viewers and subs who don't know, so Squash is in jail right now. Yeah man. So the entertainer a post to his IG and I say, yo, free the 6 boss. As you can see on the screen.
And that's the thing about it. You see? So when the youths are chill, people don't really get it, you know.
So it's a short vid with the 6 boss, Squashman, and as you can see, it says 666 free with a pointing emoji. Also there's an art emoji and a sad emoji. Yeah man, it's just a short vid, but you don't know it's a Squash and Bryan them par. So Jano, you know the entertainer them I go feel away. Just we know say one of them own God in a jail. Viewers and subscribers, leave no take down below. So now we have Teejay, the up top boss, and his friend them got themselves in some trouble with the feds them over in England. Viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna play the live and I'm gonna see what's going on with the entertainer. I be things that go on, viewers and subscribers. Teejay care get searched up and know them in a trouble. No joke.
If you and catch them police, boy, pussy them a chat, but then go do it because they find how much weed.
Somebody find out what time to play.
Boy, it look like every day we are going to get locked up or something.
Every day them put it.
Because every day we are going to buy more weed.
Yo,
yeah.
Enough time get to, you know. Every time the man them pull you there, I was there friends, you know, man. But full of weed, you know.
No, man, you never get away, man. That's the first time it happened, man.
Yeah. So, yes.
My nigga Bunny. What you say? Give us a British accent.
It was shaggy.
Yo, madam said this somebody in traffic. I said this somebody over here saw traffic too.
No, I'm saying,
He might drive, he might help the traffic in. You see me?
But big up stiff neck, you know, in the sea, man.
Yeah, man.
Stiff neck and pussy.
Stiff neck, forget.
Boy, stiff neck was sucky, man. Boy, stiff neck, yeah.
Yo, I die you tell me, nigga.
Yeah, man, the next police when go free, you know, watch out.
When them following you, the two one following you.
Yeah.
They look one album.
Franny got tell me about thing that 7 Mile Beach, the Jamaica bad.
Done, man.
Be a jerk chicken, me I tell you about that. Say, yeah. That's it.
Here we go, Steven's gone.
Yeah.
Let's see. Judgment.
I carry that, let's come. Man, I look too bad neither.
Boy, also nice police woman over here, man.
Yeah, police girl over very nice. Now girl there.
Don't make it obvious.
Oh, me? Me, I make it obvious.
I'll make her sing. I got stopped, lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a car.
I think that we have your passport.
Yo, y'all see me drop the playlist to the untitled folder. Make sure son run up that in a bro. Zayd, some songs so your fans them go and listen to. It's not an album, it's just a playlist, yeah. Some bad song up on the playlist, see when son go and listen to it and run it up, you see man. Police them good man, they not lock way up man, a good boy them man. Good boy them man, boy them say they will send with email if you judge. Want to pay more money, we pay more money through email. The best police them at the blood clot in the world. Yeah man. Don't joke, Scully. I'm trying to fold on my side and run it up. Share the link. You see me? That is it, man. They were up on the road, man. That's it. Tough. Yo, Brother, remember say you're traffic, I know, you know.
5 minutes, okay? We have to call. You said that you don't want things back, no? Okay, because we crossed the wrong one.
Okay.
We corrected, but you have to sign here that we corrected.
Your initial will sign. Yeah, it's a mistake. That's that's legal paperwork.
So I say, don't want back here.
No, man. One man. Judge, when this question will get wrong, get this one right, woman. She will signature there. And this is, I don't want it back, right?
Yes,
But,
you don't
hey,
want
do you
it
have
back.
on makeup?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have on makeup? Is that your natural skin?
Yes.
Oh my. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. No man, the girl skin care routine. Bro, bumbo clot. You see woman face clean, bro.
Judge. Yo. Jamil.
Hey, out there, man.
Yo, Judge, in the school, man, that's me to record.
Yo, we need back a weed, bro. I swear. Enough weed that you know. Yo, God no, dog. So drop the secret, man.
Dog, a whole heap of fucking weed, bro.
The weed shops are closed, by the way.
See, someone that type of weed shop close, brother.
Weed shop closed now.
Yeah.
Well, I forget weed, man. I make a link, man. To you. What name, what
Don't
name?
think back when. That's all. Man.
Yo, let me tell you something. Weed a serious thing, you know. Weed will make us straight, you know. I say weed and pussy are two things that will make us straight.
What day am I
Yeah?
there? I'm there do so good. I walk down and look.
That me I tell her.
Go we.
Weed and pussy.
Go
So
we try
place pussy make a drive.
my phone dead, man.
I lie.
I don't know.
Weed will make a walk go anywhere, man. Go look. If that man they have a good weed, I sell. Weed? Dog, weed make enough man dead, you know. Weed and pussy, you know, dog.
Man, them know.
God do you.
Brother, oh, weed serious for a drive road with weed and know say legal and whatever. I still no business, man.
Bill Gates, so you gonna soon get a link, man, my father. You hear that? We put up in a Bill Gates, so we run New York, you know, man. No pussy test, my friend. You hear that? None.
No chance to try except for forward. No taxi when I'm done. Same of it. They say, I'm waiting for the next one.
Yeah,
I've got your passports and everything here.
yeah.
So I'm waiting for the taxi.
You give back your passport?
No, he said,
When the taxi comes,
Let me taxi can you
when
give
the
back your
one person
passport?
gets in the car,
Oh, I'm boy, not easy. I cannot test them. Pussy when them over there discuss what they have to do it before I wait until they just tell us everyone. A boy stiff neck still, you know. See boy stiff neck.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, a boy they have problem. You watch your boy, you ever watch another boy, yo. You had something in your back, in your hand,
Yeah.
and you throw it away.
Oh, pussy, look, I see me with you.
Yeah, I see you fuck. You see you fuck.
I would have told you, say, oh, that's not one bag of that.
Yeah.
I'm tired and drop it down.
Come on, I don't know, you know, when me get catch it, I just sit here, but I tell you no lie, you know. I don't know how to do that, just, no matter what kind of question I ask to be, I'll turn up and look fine, I said, neutral. Bro, when me get catch or something, me neutral, man, bro, me even can argue with you.
Savage boy, that is supposed to make a blood clot.
I do it.
This is
Actually, I don't know if you do criminal things, like you see, you know, because if I mean, can't see, you know, see me a blood clot. No, man, I make you look like a sitting drop off. I make you look like a sitting drop off.
man not take it.
God,
It's alright
that
then.
bag just drops it. Bro.
Man say pussy, you must see this.
Yeah, man. When the boy see you dropping, man, the boy see you. Yo, when the boy see you, between me, when the boy see you, I start trembling, your blood clot, you hear me in the place, cool. Yo.
man, say, yes, what am I going to do?
Dog, but I tell you though, dog, when I get chicken out, my friend, the boy spot you.
I say, yeah, man, you're good, man.
Hear me now, hear me now.
Man say,
Hear me now, che. Oh, now we can't go to jail tonight. So somebody have to hold this weed here. I start ball fry early. I see everything I'm not telling no lie. I see everything I'm can't tell no lie. Jail enough me.
But other than that, I mean, first
Me.
one, I mean, first one to get reported. I mean, first one there, whatever.
Tell you.
So they say if we did it, I lift up your bag and I say, see it here.